Genetics is like the blueprint of life, intricately woven into every cell of our bodies. Imagine tiny strands of DNA, coiled and packed into chromosomes, carrying the instructions that determine everything from our eye color to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Each gene is a piece of this puzzle, and variations in these genes can lead to fascinating traits or health conditions. Did you know that humans share about 99.9% of their DNA with each other? It's that tiny fraction that makes each of us unique. Genetic mutations, which can occur naturally or be influenced by environmental factors, play a crucial role in evolution. They can lead to new traits that help species adapt and survive. And let's not forget about the exciting field of genetic engineering. Scientists are now able to edit genes, potentially curing genetic disorders or enhancing crop resilience. The possibilities are endless, but they also raise important ethical questions. Genetics is not just about understanding who we are, it's about shaping the future of life itself.